Hi friends, welcome to RIA UPSC channel. Friends, earlier video we discussed part 1 evening paper SSC JE. Now in this paper few more questions going to discuss. Friends, so already one paper we discussed. You tell to all your friends because it is very important questions which are useful in your concerned state public service commission also. And here let us discuss as of December 2020 who among the following is the Chairman of State Bank of India. Chairman of State Bank of India. See here Dinesh Kumar Khara, Abhilash Mishra, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi, Deepak Parekh. So answer Dinesh Kumar Khara. Now also, so he is a Chairman of State Bank of India. At present also Dinesh Kumar Khara. At present Chairman of SBI. Okay. And also one more thing question. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India makes provision for joint sitting of both houses of parliament? You know here both houses of the parliament joint sitting called by president, presided by the speaker. Presided by the speaker. For both houses, suppose any bill pending in one house is adopted, one more house is pending. So called for joint session. The called for joint session by the president, but presided by the speaker, that is very important. Here article 108, a president according to 108 he can call for joint session. And also 93, speaker, deputy speaker, whenever the post vacant falls, then the persons who are appointed themselves as a speaker and deputy speaker. And article 122, courts not to inquire into proceedings of parliament. Whatever the parliament proceedings are there, those are not responsible for courts. That is very important. Article 126, appointment of acting chief justice. Appointment of acting chief justice. So other articles, total 4 options, 4 articles given. And also, which is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Nervous system in brain. So in brain, basic structure. See what we call neurons. What we call neuron. This is the neuron. So 100 billion neurons are there. 3 parts are there. So front brain, mid brain, hind brain. Okay. So neuron. Cerebellum, small part of the brain. Cerebrum, large part of the brain. Nephron, a basic structural function of the kidneys. Kidneys are made by nephrons. Brain is made by neurons. Okay. So this is the 4 options specialty. So friends, so wonderful questions given. So very important also. Okay. Friends, atom of different elements with different atomic numbers which have the same mass number known as isobars. Isobars, so different atomic numbers and also same mass number. But here isomers given option. Isomers means here isomers, same chemical formula but different chemical structures. Those are called isomers. Isotones, 2 or more species of atoms that have same neutrons. And isotopes, same number of protons, electrons but different number of neutrons. Different number of neutrons. Protons, electrons same but neutrons are different. That is called isotopes. This isobars. This is known as isobar. And also, March is celebrated as the World Water Day. See, March 22nd is the World Water Day, Worldwide Water Day. Okay. And also, the Rigveda includes more than thousands of hymns called Rigveda, oldest Veda. Rigveda is the oldest Veda, Rigveda. So Aryans composed Rigveda. Early Aryans composed Rigveda. So it means Sukta. Sukta is the hymns of Rigveda. Okay. The HIV virus destroys, thus weakening the immunity of the person. You know, HIV is caused by retrovirus. HIV is caused by retrovirus. This retrovirus kills the lymphocytes. A lymphocytes is white blood cells, part of the white blood cells. White blood cells consist of 5 types of cells. You know, so example basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes, lymphocytes. Total 5 types of cells. 5 out of lymphocytes. Here B lymphocytes, T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes, antibodies produced. Antibodies are produced by lymph, which they kill the virus. So our body, virus is suppressed by B lymphocytes. B lymphocytes part of the white blood cells. White blood cells, okay. So white blood cells, retrovirus, so kills the lymphocytes. So in HIV patient, lymphocyte cells are slowly decreased, okay. That is the very important. And also, which layer of the soil contains humus that makes the soil fertile? So humus, organic matter. Humus means organic matter. Here topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock material, parent rock, to answer topsoil. Here it is a layers. So it is a parent rock, bed rock, what we call, it is a weathered rock, weathering started, subsoil, minerals are available, subsoil, minerals are available. Now the fertility, plants are well grown in topsoil. This is known as topsoil, okay. This is known as topsoil. So here, as per census 2011, the state had the lowest crude birth rate in India. So crude birth rate, death rate, birth rate. So generally, Kerala, actually Pondicherry. Now Pondicherry. So it is a UT, but here Pondicherry not given, Kerala. So Kerala. Even total fertility rate also less than Kerala. That's why crude birth rate is very less in Kerala, okay. With how many Indian states, union territories does the newly carved Union Territory of Ladakh? Ladakh, newly UT, bifurcated from Jammu Kashmir. It is a Jammu Kashmir, it is a Ladakh. It is Ladakh. Here Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir. So 2, answer 2. Okay, na? The period between prorogation, House and his reassembly in new session is called, here it is variety question. It is recess. Recess means periodic adjournment. Periodic adjournment. What we call adjournment. 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 Is it? So periodic adjournment. Summer, winter, rainy. Periodic adjournment is called recess. So the period between the prorogation of House and it is prorogation by President. Again it is reassemble House and it is reassemble. New session is known as adjournment. Adjournment. Okay. Periodic adjournment. Nothing but. So not quorum. Quorum means minimum strength should be there to run the parliament. 1/10 now quorum. Question hour. Question hour. The first hour of the parliament is known as question hour. First hour of the parliament. Question hour. That starts 11 to 12. So that is question hour. Okay. Answer is recess. Periodic adjournment. Okay. So friends, so few questions daily we have been discussing so that we can get much more clarity on the SSC JEE. So this month is going to release the notification. RRB, SSC, other examinations, very useful questions we are going to discuss. Subscribe and also get more benefit, tell to all your friends. Thank you very much.